There is official information available yet about the 2025 Alfa Romeo Stelvio, as the current model year for the car is 2024. However, based on rumors and speculations, here's what we can expect from the upcoming Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Asterisk design, asterisk the new Stelvio is expected to have a complete overhaul in the styling department, with influences from the stunning 33 straight-ale concept. It is expected to feature a new interpretation of the brand's logo, slimmer headlights, and a mostly closed-off front fascia with air openings in the lower section. The rear end will also likely get a makeover, featuring C-shaped taillights connected by a coast-to-coast LED stripe. Asterisk performance, asterisk the 2025 Stelvio is rumored to be built on the STLA Large platform, which is also used by other Stellantis brands like Jeep and Dodge. This platform is capable of supporting both gasoline and electric powertrains, so it is possible that Alfa Romeo will offer both options for the new Stelvio. The gasoline option is expected to be a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 280 horsepower, while the electric option could have a range of around 300 miles. Asterisk interior, asterisk the interior of the new Stelvio is expected to be more luxurious and tech-savvy than the current model. It is expected to feature a larger touchscreen infotainment system, a fully digital instrument cluster, and higher quality materials throughout. Asterisk price and release date, asterisk the price of the 2025 Stelvio is expected to start at around $49,000 for the base model. The release date is expected to be late 2023 or early 2024. It is important to note that this information is based on rumors and speculations and should not be taken as fact. Alfa Romeo has not yet released any official information about the 2025 Stelvio.